Okay, guys, let's see who gets eliminated. Orange Oval, you're eliminated. Got anything to say? Oh, yay, I forgot. You don't talk like Blue Rectangle. Anyway, goodbye. Hi, Orange Oval. Wait, is Blue Rectangle turning into an Among Us? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! Okay, today's challenge, you have to eat a chicken leg. Whoever eats the whole chicken leg first wins. Go!
What are we gonna do now? Can I circle? Shut up, furry! I didn't say anything, Zeke Tube.
The chicken leg was so good, I even ate the bone part of it. Well, I'm too full, so I'm not gonna eat the chicken leg.
Purple Triangle is full, so he's not eating the chicken leg.
Don't worry, I have the perfect idea to make Purple Triangle eat the chicken leg.
Purple Triangle, eat the chicken leg right now! I have no idea, but I just ate the chicken leg even though I was full. That was delicious. It looks like Yellow Square has ate the whole chicken leg, even the bone. So he wins immunity. It's either red circle or purple triangle to get eliminated by a spinning wheel in episode 5. Let's see who gets eliminated. Stay tuned. Hopefully Blue Rectangle turns back next episode because I don't want to see this sussiness anymore.